Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add or remove weights from your Logitech G502 SE Hero. So to do this, first let's take out the weights from the box. There should be in this small case, so open it, and inside we can find multiple weights. Now let's move on to the mouse, and right here you can see this white backside of the mouse, and now we can open it like this. It has this magnet right here which holds it in place. Now take the weights and just place them on the mouse and basically do it however you want and how much weight you want to put on your mouse. So there's a lot of options because each weight probably have different characteristic. No, there's actually 3.6 and all of them are 3.6 grams. So there's not any difference in them, but you can add any amount. Like this. Now move on to the cover, place it like that, and now our mouse is much more heavy. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.